Hi LearnDash users. Welcome to our channel. LearnDash not only provides ability to create various kinds of quizzes, you can also let students take unlimited retakes. But that can become problematic as well, in some cases. So, how do we restrict students to only certain numbers of retakes? In this video, we are going to show how easily you can prevent the unlimited number of quiz retakes. To restrict, go to Settings under a quiz and fill 3 columns, namely, passing score, restrict quiz retakes and number of retries allowed. Please note that, if you set the field for percentage of marks for passing the quiz, it will auto-lock out students if they fail. Your student can only proceed further to complete the next lesson, but will not be able to retake the quiz. A notification on the quiz page will display the message that you have already taken this quiz 1 time. Therefore, you need to be careful with the above settings. You must set the value to 0 in the passing score input box to prevent locking students. After this, users will be able to take the quiz again. How to set number of retakes? It is easy. Turn on the toggle to restrict quiz retakes option, and put the number of retakes allowed next to the number of retries allowed option. So, if you want to set no retake, set 0. If you want to set 3 retake, put 3. After this, publish or update the quiz. That's it. You just restricted students to number of retakes. But before we depart, would like to put a small but useful tip. What if a student really locked out on the quiz page? Can admin unlock him? Answer is a definite yes. What the admin must do to unlock is to go to the user's profile and remove the quiz progression manually. Lock for the user will be removed. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel for more information related to the LearnDash site development video series.